both of our cheeses, both quesos. One with la roca, one with pimiento, peppers, our carne, meat, the two different kinds of sauces, and our curtido. So let's get started. You're going to want to put a little bit of oil on whatever you want to use. You can cook on the stove. I used to have a cast iron skillet that covered 2 of the units on the stove. I used to cook on that, but now I found this, so I'm cooking on here. I can get a little bit more on there at one time. So you're going to want to get your hands wet. You're going to get a little ball of masa, dough. Shape it around. Oh, no, not tortilla. Okay, we're going to flatten it out a little. You kind of a little bowl, like that. We're going to add, well, I always add the beans, and then the cheese, just little pinches, a little bit of the meat, like that. And then I turn it, put my hands here, turn it upside down, and I pinch it a little, like a bowl, and then I turn it back around. See how it's kind of tucked in there, the little edges? And I take my fingers, and I fold it around, like that. Looks like a little bag of gold. And I pinch off the extra, put it back in the bowl of masa, pat that down. Now we're just going to gently go back and forth like that. Pressing just gently. If you smash too hard or your hands get dry and it gets sticky, then we patch it up. No big deal. See right there, I pushed a little hard. You put a little bit of water and a little pinch of the little bit of masa. Cover it up, just like a little Band-Aid. And away you go. And I don't make them really big. You can make them bigger, but I like them kind of small. Like that. And go ahead and put it down. And then you can flatten a little bit more once you get it on the skillet if you want. Make it look pretty and round. I already put some on. Getting brown. Let's practice some more. You're going to come back again, your ball, flatten it out, add a little pinch of your beans, a little pinch of your cheese. That's one with the roco. I love the roco. I like a lot of cheese, so actually I put more cheese. What ingredients you like the most, that's what you stuff the most in there. And these are mixed pupusas. If you wanted, you could do only cheese. You could do cheese and beans. You could do all 3 like I'm doing. You're going to put your hands there, flip it around, warm it with your fingers, flip it over again, go around and pinch it gently like that. See the little hole? With your little bag of gold, pinch it off, pat it down, and go back and forth. Nice and easy. So I put a little bit of oil on here before I started. Want to try again? How's it going, everybody? Is it going good for you? Are they looking yummy? Let's try again. Let's take some practice. And they're so yummy, you guys. The best thing is you have all this ingredients, so you can make this over and over again. It's more affordable than going out to eat one time with your family and friends. Okay, so here's my ball. I'm going to flatten it out again. And our beans. What do you guys think of the beans? So yummy. Queso. Meat. And put your fingers there, kind of hold it down, flip it over, make your shape, put it back around, flick your fingers around the top, get that little extra dough out of the way, pinch it off. And there you go. Patty cake, nice and soft. Smelling yummy. Gonna let those cook. There, right there, that's what you're looking for. See how nice and golden that looks right there? See how the moss is starting to brown right here and right here? That's what you're looking for. See, these aren't ready yet. We'll cook on that side for a while and then I'll turn them around until we get this look right here. All right, my friends, we did it. We're done. Look how beautiful. Now it's time to eat and enjoy. See how crispy the pupusas got? Thank you so much for making pupusas with me today, my friends. I hope if you enjoyed making pupusas and learning about it. It's a typical food of El Salvador. It's like a hamburger for us. So when you eat your pupusa, make sure you eat it with your fingers. You're going to tear a little bit. You dip it in with your salsa and your curtido. And enjoy. Very yummy. Gracias, mis amigos, para cocinar conmigo hoy. Y ya es tiempo para comer. And remember, if you liked cooking pupusas today and enjoyed the video, please click the like button and subscribe. See you next time. And if you have any comments, leave them below, and I'll be sure to answer them for you. Thank you. Enjoy.